Hi again. Hello everyone. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this additional of Wednesday, August the 26th, 2020. Two Sudokus to go. One of them is a binary puzzle, and this one will be a number 1415. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, hand O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, hand O, then O. Double O, hand 1, then 1. Double 1, hand O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, hand O, then O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, hand O, then O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, hand 1, then 1. We have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. And then between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have now 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, then 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And then let me think. I think I need to compare. Let me think. Yeah. 10. I need a 10. No. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, hand O, then O. Double O, hand 1, then 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 O 1. No 1 again. O10. Do we have a O10? Yes. This third row and the last row. 1 1 0 0 1 1. Empty box. O 1 1 0 0. Yes, these 2 digits. I need to switch those. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes a 1. And we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Correct. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last. The last Sudoku is a tectonic one, aka Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye for now.